You thought your salary was $2,000? Yeah, that's cute. Let me show you how much of that actually ends up in your pocket. Spoiler alert, it's depressing. Let's start simple. What your boss says you earn, that's gross salary. What actually hits your bank account, that's net salary. And the difference? That's where the pain lives. IRS takes a slice. Social Security? Another slice. Health insurance? Maybe. Retirement plans? If you're lucky. Let's break it down. You see that IRS line on your payslip? Yeah, that's income tax. And no, it's not optional. Then there's Social Security. It's supposed to help you when you're old, assuming society still exists by then. Other lines might include Medicare, state tax, union fees, and whatever your employer decides to dump in there. Payslips look boring on purpose. But here's what actually matters. Gross pay, net pay, tax withheld, deductions, pay period, and yes, double-check your hours. They sometimes forget things. You want to cry? Take your net salary. Divide it by all your hours worked. Yes, including commute, unpaid breaks, and mental breakdowns. You might be making $7 an hour, even with a good salary. Now ask yourself, is that job really worth it? Or are you just paying to exist? Payslips aren't just paperwork. They're reality checks. Learn to read them. Learn to question them. Learn to fight for better. And if you want to stop being broke, you start here. Drop a like. Leave a comment. Subscribe for more.